Hey there! Welcome to Better Every Day. Today, we're going to talk about minimalism and how it can lead to more happiness. I know, it sounds counterintuitive, but bear with me. In a world that's all about accumulating stuff and constantly seeking more, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and unhappy. But what if we told you that having less can actually lead to a more fulfilling life? We all know the drill. We work hard to earn money, and then we spend it on stuff we don't need. We clutter our homes, our minds, and our schedules. But is all of that really making us happier? Research actually suggests the opposite. Study shows that materialism is linked to depression, anxiety, and other mental health issues. On the other hand, minimalism is all about living intentionally and focusing on what truly adds value to our lives. It's about letting go of the things that don't serve us and making room for the things that bring us joy and fulfillment. When we adopt a minimalist mindset, we start to see the world in a different way. We begin to appreciate the simple things, like nature, relationships, and personal growth. Minimalism is not just about getting rid of stuff. It's about living deliberately and being mindful of how we spend our time and resources. When we focus on what's truly important, we start to feel more fulfilled and satisfied with our lives. So, how can we apply minimalism to our lives? Start by decluttering your space and donating items you no longer need. Volunteer your time and energy to causes that matter to you. Focus on building meaningful relationships and investing in experiences, not material possessions. Not only can minimalism improve our mental health and well-being, but it can also have a positive impact on the environment. By consuming less and living more sustainably, we can reduce our carbon footprint and contribute to a better future for all. And here's the best part. Minimalism isn't just about physical stuff. It's also about mental clutter. By practicing mindfulness and letting go of negative thoughts and emotions, we can cultivate a sense of inner peace and happiness. So, there you have it. Minimalism and happiness go hand in hand. By embracing a minimalist lifestyle, we can create space for what truly matters and find more joy and fulfillment in life. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.